Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zaibot token. Ticker symbol is ZAI. Now this is a brand new token that's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. You can see their Twitter here just joined in November 2023, so fairly new project. 55,200 Twitter followers, and they already have a decent amount of holders too. 2,468 holders on this token. It's a BEP20 token, so they're off to a good start, and they're getting this brand new central exchange listing tomorrow, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Zaibot token, or you could call it the Zaibot token. Ticker symbol is ZAI. So 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 100 million tokens. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. You can follow their Telegram at Zaibot Public, and they have 8,900 members on their Telegram, with 722 of them online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. So Zaibot uniquely stands out as a community-driven platform where members collectively contribute to boosting the project's trend, a feature unparalleled in the crypto space, setting it apart from any competitors. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 12th at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ZAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Zaibot is not just a tool, it's a community-driven platform that keeps you engaged, informed, and ahead in a fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Join us and be part of this community that's actively shaping the future of crypto trading, the vanguard of artificial intelligence bots. So they have revenue sharing. Enjoy short-term participation with high rewards without diluting revenue across inactive tokens. Extend your benefits and staking time through our referral program, where more referrals mean additional hours and rewards. Also, token tracking. Stay ahead of the market with our real-time tracking of any tokens. Gain unprecedented exposure and insights into the market trends. With AI tools, recommendations, you'll love it even more. And then trending boost. So similar to the Telegram boost, this feature allows the community to collectively push a token into trending by contributing ETH. Once the target of 0.1 ETH is reached, watch your tokens climb the trending charts. We also have the referrals program, where you can boost your income or promote your projects with our tailored advertising options. Benefit from our referral program, where key opinion leaders earn for every successful referral. The next level, Zaibot, or ZAI bot, is revolutionizing the way we interact with the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. So they also have something called Zone AI. Now, Zone Artificial Intelligence, AI, is a new emerging concept within the realm of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Zone AI refers to a subset of AGI that is specialized in autonomously operating within a specific zone or domain. This approach strikes a balance between the versatility of AGI and the efficiency of specialized AGI. So you can start now. They have the Telegram bot. They also have their normal Telegram. They have a Twitter that you could check out as well. So it says here the Telegram bot is coming soon, and the trending bot is coming soon. They're not available yet, but if you go to their webpage, Zaibot.io, that's where you'll be able to find it when it goes live. And it says, so the Telegram bot, it says you can add it to any group. And then they have the public chat for Telegram, and they have the channel announcement group for Telegram. So they actually have 3 different Telegrams. And then they have the ZAI bot coming soon as well, which is a totally different bot. And then their Twitter is the announcements page where you're going to see all sorts of updates and things like that. On their Twitter here, you can see, well, their Twitter, first of all, is at Zaibot.io, and they have 175 tweets. You can find both of their telegrams there, the announcements and the public channel, right on the Twitter right there, along with their webpage. So they're in their pinned tweet. It says trading is now live, and you can find the contract address on their Twitter here. Now this is a cross-chain token. It looks like it's available on Uniswap and PancakeSwap, and they have links to those and another app called Thruster. So 3 different apps available in this pinned tweet here. Or you could just wait till tomorrow to get it off Mexc Global. I mean, it's up to you. There's many options now. They also have a new revenue sharing model just revealed. 80% of revenue share. We're giving back 80% of the income generated from our trending bot. 10% buyback and burn. Zaibot is committed to the sustained growth of the ZAI token, and we will buy back and burn 10% of ZAI tokens with the ETH collected. And it says they were now trending on Twitter in the USA. So they were trending recently. And on March 9th, they actually tweeted out a full link tree too. And on their link tree, you can find their website, their socials, DEX tools chart. You can check them out there. They have a DEX tools chart for their ETH token and their BNB token. They're also on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, tons of links in the link tree that they just tweeted out as well. So check out this Twitter here for all sorts of links. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one where this token will be listed tomorrow. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when these new tokens come out. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.